Okay, so here we are sailing aboard the...
Is this a movie?
Yeah, movie.
Seagoing.
Talkies, folks. Talkies.
Seagoing, which is French for stork.
Stork?
Stork. Kind of the way I sail, clumsily.
Like a sea stork. There's Pam. She's not throwing up yet.
Good. Not even nauseous.
See, here we are actually sailing away, a bounding vein. Pam's eating.
I brought 2 beers.
Okay. How about 1 beer?
I don't usually drink beer.
See your old Foster. Yeah, I agree.
That goes right through you.
That's looking up at the sails. Say what?
Whenever you video record, she's always eating.
That does seem to come out that way, huh? So, we saw a sea lion. Oh, a seal. Seal. Harbor seal.
Maybe back some of the keys.
That's Olympia way down south there.
Is your back bother you when you're not